you may want to stay up past your bedtime on Wednesday, February 20th to watch as a total lunar eclipse dazzles the night sky. And observers should take special notice of this lunar eclipse because it will be the last one until December 2010. A lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth lines up directly between the Sun and the Moon, casting a shadow over the Moon's surface. February's eclipse will last for nearly 3.5 hours, and for a full 50 minutes of that time, the Moon will be in totality, the period when the lunar surface is completely covered by the Earth's shadow. When an eclipse first begins, there is little noticeable change, but as the Moon penetrates deeper into the shadow of the Earth, an amazing transformation takes place. The Moon changes color before your very eyes, going from a light gray color to an orange or deep red shade. This is totality. The Moon takes on this new color because indirect sunlight is still able to pass through the Earth's atmosphere, casting a glow on the Moon. The exact color that the Moon appears during an eclipse depends on the amount of dust and clouds in the atmosphere. If there are extra particles in the atmosphere from, say, a recent volcanic eruption, the Moon will appear a darker shade of red. Every location on Earth will have a different view of February's eclipse, and residents of the Americas, Europe, and Africa will have the best view of all. Here in the US, observers on the East Coast and Midwest are favored. These viewers will be able to see the entire eclipse from start to finish. But residents on the West Coast will miss out on watching the early stages of the eclipse as it begins before moonrise. While sky gazers around the world will be watching the eclipse, NASA is focusing its attention on the Moon as well. Later this year, NASA will take its first step back to the Moon with the launch of the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, or LRO. This satellite will map the surface of the Moon and collect data about the lunar environment, laying the groundwork for humans to go back to the Moon. By the time the next total lunar eclipse rolls around, our knowledge of the Moon could be quite different. But for now, hope for clear skies, try to stay awake, and enjoy the spectacular lunar eclipse.